round 24, match day 24, and it's Orlando Pirates currently in third place. Amazulu started the afternoon in 12th spot. They have now slipped down to 13th after Royal AM have got a point against the Arrows. They want to claw their way up the table as well. What a season they're having. They are up against the relegation-threatened Cape Town Spurs. Mabasa now. Really fucking 10 ball. It's just too heavy for what a season it's been for him. I would definitely say he's in with a shout for their player of the season. Here he is.
Oh, good.
They were backing up him and invited him to have a go, and he drew your blood. Here is Tabiso Sasani. Really has impressed since being given his chance here. As I shower him with praise, of course, Sasani commits a problem as Kakani gets a talking to. Kakani has been sent off before by referee Mubari. Floated in, it's a great ball! Oh my word! How did he miss that? Letwalo!
And as he did in the second goal, Mubarak trying to pick out Phillies there. Phillies just not getting it. Letwalo making contact on the far post. What a delightful ball in from Mubarak.
What a chance. What a chance.
Come on, boys! Come on, boys! Come on, boys!
For the Pirates.
Oki, the returning Oki.
Woo! Yes, good guy.
Bari's gonna get an early portion here. We can, so perhaps there is a career once this football thing is done for Mahoda. Down the left-hand side, brings in X10 with an X10. Oki stretches that long leg. The throwing goes away of Amazulu. And
too much, this
big ball to find John Otto. Looks up. And Babasa was lurking in. He would have been the intended recipient of that one. Mahola.
Tito!
Touch there from
Tito!
a touch of a man who is
Tito! The little ball Tito!
Aitor van den Broek.
Oh man! Tito! Hey, Tito! Good catch!
Then cut it down.
Mubara, in fact, it wasn't went in with a challenge. Is few livid. Not that they're not already livid. And Mubara.
Last man, he failed. Last man.
Insult to injury. Into the game.
Oh, my child, gosh. Oh, referee.
And he is gone.
I'm a Duke shot at South Africa.
So look at Titi. Follows through, touches the ball. Possibly a foul, yes, with his momentum.
But let's have a look at what happens here. Zamini is still interested. Zamini has a goal. Zamini misses. He hit the best opportunity of the game. Otto.
Really boy.
Nice little flick that one to his territory. Big out him. Picks out Mabasa. Beautifully turned there. I think that would have been the last of the cards that we saw. This referee colliding there. A mix-up there could be costly. Good work.
Tito! Really boy!
Phillies. Mofoking. Tim. Half an hour gone.
Really boy!
Mofoking.
Tito Masanganyi!
Masanganyi with a shot.
Really boy!
Mofoking taking out Bangladesh.
Really boy!
Punch deflection. It did.
Dibito Lakabima! Really boy! Não, Cláudio! Really boy! Really boy! Oh, really boy!
Again!
Really boy!
Now, the shot from range is
Tito,
well wide.
come on, Tito.
So well, good work here from X-Team. Great ball now. Mulenga checked his run instead of keep going there.
You're shy never face
That
hello, goalkeeper, no? I'm going to be saying that. I'm going to fish by. I'm going to fish by. I'm going to say that. I'm going to
try this corner. Fancy goal! Oh. Brilliant delivery. And it comes again. Also got it onto it. They're not clearing it. Now they get out cleared. Now part chance of team go round. Otto! Pasele Swangangi. Mulenga is through a fair share of defending.
Really boy!
In here. Cutback is not the best. Good work from Ethan Brooks. The keepers. The free takes a glance at his watch and blows the whistle for half time. Then, wow, a dramatic
Kamara Stellenbosch with Mamluni Sundowns. Last season, Orlando Pirates. President Iyaona Kamara Muchemote for 2000. Abitamut.
Really boy!
Kenya Kapa Amazulu Katawa Kapi. Ponetini. I told them Rockabano Soto. You want to tweet about you in your now. Thank you. Anakamani, Paranamana Moyente. Shamini. When I fit a cow, fella, one I'm lega. You are Rockman Pirates, but next Harmone, Mutakasi, Uonamutu, Captain number 2000, Otawatamutu,
Why pass the talent?
Tom is calling, not the Pirates, not the Amazulu, Mufuke. On Sundowns, Shoka only 9 points.
Talent!
Hey! 14 minutes. Kenya Moto Sale. Porela chama Songaye. Pora fera Mutemuke. Chafata Mabasa. Undertaker. To the walk. Amazulu. Kantano Noto Mutemuke. It's one parents. Noto. Usuto Mapesapone. Haibe Orlando Pirates hapa
Anyamushu.
Itaba khedra mashua kana mtumo
Unamkabu bwana.
Kenya moto, bita moto, waka
Ibi tola kadima.
Hana Chipa United, Ecovalent Super Sport United, Camramona, Aponuta Fona, Kara, the Limina Sona, Kena Kamari, Sepo Maimani, how Motoro Motao, how Fula, Omukakalax. Abatali Tuto and Natipa, and Yamuta, Supanakai, Navi Kaketa no more, Vilimu Trap, Magenta Poso. Limuko kwate utanzola pili utanzola katika maana lili la za sutu stwana
Bonge.
Angakate tawo safato mabata angacheka angamoto ndikiro kako
Let's